Hey guys, how you doing? Ron here with Tech Tips to Go. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Teamviewer so you can remote control someone's PC, whether you're doing it for technical support, whether it's you trying to show your brother, your sister, your mother, your father how to do something on the internet and take control of their PC remotely for free, then this is a video for you. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to teamviewer.com. Now all of this is free. So I'm going to be showing you this on Mac as well as PC. So I've got a virtual window. Basically, I'm running my system on Mac, but I've got another instance or virtual machine that kind of is running Windows on my Mac. So right now we are in the Windows 10 version. So I'm just going to click download, and I'm going to accept all cookies here, and I'm going to go to download Teamviewer for Windows. And just click over here. And as you can see, it's downloading right now, and then I'm just going to open when done. So now I'm going to install this, and I'll just show you the basic installation details. I'll pause the video a little bit just so you can capture the most important parts here. So here, what I like to do is just the default installation. So how do you want to use Teamviewer? This is very important because you want to select it as personal, non-commercial use, because that's the way it's going to be free. So you can do show advanced settings, and then I like to make sure to select advanced settings, and I'll show you the reason why. Go to next, and you select yes. Now, it really depends on what you're going to be using Teamviewer for. If you're just going to be using Teamviewer just to connect to someone's PC and that's it, then that's great. I wouldn't select Print Driver or Teamviewer VPN or Teamviewer add-in for Outlook. I would just select next if you're just doing the basics. You can do a reinstall or add these features on later. So let's just click finish. Select finish, I mean. And I'll pause the video and I'll come back. Great. So now that you have Teamviewer available, now this is what you want to do. If you want to allow someone to take control of your PC, so this is on my Windows PC. So I'm going to provide this session ID and password to the person that wants to take control of my PC. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this in an email and paste it to them. And I'm going to switch back to my Mac, and I'll show you how I can take control of that PC remotely. So I'm going to copy this ID. Now I'm going to go back to my Mac, which is here. So now I want to control a remote computer. So now I'm going to paste in that ID. Now let's go back to my Windows, and then I'm going to use this password to open up their PC. So now let's do a remote control. Now I'm going to select connect. And then I'm going to put in the password. And I'm going to click login. Now I'll show you exactly what my Mac is doing. I'm sorry, my Windows is doing when I request this login. So watch. So now I'm connecting. It shows it's connecting. Now I'm going to go over to here, and as you can see this password that was put in. Now I'm controlling their PC. And it's very real time, it's very fast. Teamviewer has been out for many, many years. I remember using Teamviewer like 10 years ago. So they've just advanced their technology, and it's just very intuitive, very easy to use. All you need to do is put in that ID and then that password. And then as you can see, at the bottom right hand status here, on the Windows, you could actually take control, move it around. You can end the session. Now I could show you, you can do a video conference with them as long as your webcam is set up. You can do a video session with them. You can talk through VoIP, so you can have a communication with them if you have your microphone set up over the internet with that person taking remote control of your PC, as well as you can open up a chat window. So for example, hi, I'm on my PC, Windows 10. Click send. Now I'll show you what my PC is doing, and it's right here. So as you can see, I'm already taking control of it in this window. I got your text or message. And as you can see, I'm remote viewing it. I'll go back to their window, and this is what they see. Now here, you could also open up a file so you can send to them as well. So Teamviewer has advanced over the years. You could also do a whiteboard, and you could also start drawing anything that you want on your screen. Like you can highlight some areas that you want fixed. So you can say, highlighting this, and I'll switch back to my Mac and I'll show you what they see. And as you can see, they have highlighted that area that's not working. Now let's go back to my PC window again. And if you wanted to end this session, I can show you how to do that here. Just click on options and you could close session. So that is the basics of using Teamviewer. I wanted to make this quick, very easy to use. I'll put the link down below so you could download it, and make sure that it's free. Make sure that you use the non-commercial version, the personal version, because that'll be for free. But if you are using it for business, and I'd recommend using it for business, then you have to pay, I think it's about a $7.99 license, but they do have options. So anyways, if you liked the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.